Hi there, it's Amy from Cakes with Faces. Just a quick video for you this week. I'm going to be at MCM London Comic-Con on the 25th to 27th of October at XL in London. And if you're not interested in that, or if you're not in the UK, we'll be back to normal next week with more Japan videos. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the show, some special things that are happening this time, what I'm going to have on my stall, and some tips. MCM London is the UK's largest Comic-Con, and it's going to be my last show of the year. It's also Cakes with Faces' 8th birthday. I started 8 years ago in October 2011. Here's me on my very first stall, and every time I try and make it a little bit better and bring in new things. And here's what it looked like last time. On my stall, I'll have some new designs available for the very first time before they're online. I've got a new t-shirt design with a tarot cards theme called Everything Will Be Okay. The theme is fun, low-key bad news tarot cards, like Eternal Pain. And the tarot cards are also on my new tunic, which I'm wearing today. It's a completely new style with side trails and it's really nice to wear. I'll have a sample of it on my stall so you can have a look and see what it's like, and I'll be taking pre-orders. And I might also have a sample of a new scarf. Not sure about that one yet, so fingers crossed. And I'll also have everything else, all my other designs, my t-shirts, hoodies, varsity jackets, dresses, my how to make sushi comics, and the enamel pins. Now, MCM London is a really busy show, so if there is something you've got your eye on, don't leave it till the end of the weekend because sometimes things do sell out. And if you're not going to the show, have a look at cakeswithfaces.co.uk. You can get everything online and there's worldwide shipping. So here's where to find me at Comic-Con. It's spread over 2 halls. I'll be in the North Hall near the Pop Asia section. I'll be there all weekend, so come and say hello. You can ask me about Japan, or tell me how your trip went, or ask me about my designs. Last time there were a few people who said they wanted to talk, but it seemed like it was really busy on the stall. And it does seem like everyone comes along all at once, especially in the middle of the day. So if it's really busy, just come back later on and you might find it's a lot quieter. So what else is on at the show? As well as all the usual things, all the stalls, cosplayers, and all of that, there's going to be some special things this time. There's going to be some workshops about drawing manga, comics, cosplay, and how to get into pop culture journalism. You have to register in advance and all the details are on the MCM website. This time the main guest is Simon Pegg from Spaced and Shaun of the Dead. There's also going to be actors from It, Sam from Lord of the Rings, Paloma Faith talking about Pennyworth, the new Batman prequel series, Mark Gatiss and Stephen Moffat with their new Dracula series. There'll be various voice actors from games and anime, including the voice of Mario and Luigi and Twilight Sparkle from My Little Pony. Also on the stage, there's going to be a Nightmare Before Christmas sing-along. That looks really fun. And in my opinion, one of the most exciting things is Mina Lima. They're going to be doing a panel. They're the designers from the Harry Potter films. They designed all the posters, the books, all the adverts, and they've got a really quirky sort of retro style. And also while you're in London, they have a little shop or gallery in Soho called the House of Mina Lima, where you can see loads of Harry Potter stuff. It's really good. As well as the main stage, there's also some smaller stages focusing on comics and art, cosplay, YouTube, and the Pop Asia stage. And there's a cinema truck with 3 films. So not everything's on every day. Some of the times are up so far, but the full schedules will come out usually just a couple of days before the show, and they'll be updated in the app as well. So the Comic-Con app has all the schedules, all the timings. It's got the floor plan and the list of all the stalls. The floor plan's in the show floor section, so if you're looking for someone like my stall, remember that they're split between the exhibitor section and the dealers section. It's kind of half and half, so if you can't find someone in one of them, it might be in the other one. Get your tickets online and definitely get them in advance. Don't leave it till the day because some of them do sell out. If you don't like crowds, Friday's always the quietest day and Sunday's a bit quieter than Saturday, especially in the morning. Take a screenshot on your phone or make a note of where my stall is and anything else in particular that you want to see. You can't guarantee you'll stumble across it. Comic-Con is huge and it's spread over 2 halls of XL, so it's so easy to miss things and there's always someone who says they couldn't find my stall. I've got some more tips in another video, so I won't repeat them all here. I'll put the link in the description for you. And I've also got a video called How Expensive is MCM, where I went round and filmed prices for different things that you might find useful as well. I might be making a video at the show. Last time was my busiest show ever and I just didn't have time, so we'll see how it goes on that one. And maybe I'll see you there. Otherwise, I'll be back with new Japan videos next week. Bye bye.